In this video, I'm going to show you how to paper trade options on Webull mobile. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the bottom menu and select over here where it says menu. Afterwards, please go ahead and scroll down until you see this section that says shortcuts. Then you want to press on these three dots that says more. Then all you need to do is you need to go ahead and look for paper trade. So it's going to be right underneath here where it says trading. So here it is, paper trade. You just want to go ahead and press on it just like so. From here, you're able to go ahead and select on paper trade just like so. And then over here, you can go ahead and select on the asset you want to paper trade. So let's say it's this right over here. Then once you're inside here, you can go ahead and select on options. And then from here, you can begin trading options. So you can go ahead and select on calls or puts right over here. So that is definitely something you're able to do. All right, then after you do that, it is then going to give you something that looks like this. So there you go. You're able to go ahead and buy and sell. And basically, you're all doing this with paper trading over here. So notice how it is going to say options paper trade. And then from here, you can go ahead and begin practicing your investing skills. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.